Please confirm the flash disk has been inserted before operation. Power on while keep pressing OK button. Waiting for reading flash disk. One. Enter emergency state, then choose update system. 2. Press OK button. 3. Choose UDisk file. Press OK button. Then find the upgrade file we need. 4. Press OK button and wait for updating. 5. System updated successfully. 6. Restarting the handle system. Now system updating is finished. Attention, update system is not allowed without the permission of manufacturer.